Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we will understand how to generate word cloud chart in Tableau. So in Tableau, you pick up the subcategory and drop it into the text, the product subcategory, and drop it into the text. Now pick up the subcategory again and drop it into the size. Now I want that this subcategory, which is there, it should have the font size equal to the counts, that how many times it is appearing in the data. So click here and measure and activate count from here. So it will generate the heat map. This is a heat map. So binders are generated maximum number of times, and therefore it will generate the heat map. Now I want to convert this heat map into text. So in marks, activate the text from here. So you can see that it has converted into the word cloud. Now again, let us pick up the subcategory and drop it into the colors. So your word cloud is ready. So this is a way you can generate the word cloud in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.